Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel right now, please go and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below. Alright, today I'm gonna just make this quick video to tell you about what's a worn tire look like, what a bald tire look like. Basically, when the tires start looking like this, you can see the threading, like the making. This is actually the making of the tire. When you see this means the tire is basically no good and need to replace. But before it get to this state, you don't want your tire to start looking like this at all. Like, it's very hazardous. So this basically is a no good tire. Now, if it looks like this, you see, basically it's smooth. It still don't have no tread wear. This is basically a no good tire because it's basically smooth. This is basically telling you it's time to go and replace time to go and replace your tire. So this is how you check to see if your tire is worn and if it's really bad. You really don't want it to look like this. You really don't want to see these white stuff in your tire. Basically it's no good. It's basically defective. So just to let you all know, for people who do not know, this is a defective tire. This is no good. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, share this video. Thank you guys once again, and peace out. Bye bye.